The IRS extended the deadline in response to this year's flooding, but this does not apply to property taxes. Those are still due this week. CBS 8's Jasmine Ramirez shares everything you need to know as we near some very important deadlines.
This tax deadline extension applies to all San Diego County residents, not just those impacted by the flooding. Now, the IRS typically does this when an area is declared a disaster by FEMA. Any individuals or households living in or with a business in San Diego County is eligible to have their tax deadline pushed to June 17th.
We take our cue from FEMA, which is to normally provide an extension or a postponement of deadlines. In this case, we did so for all of San Diego County taxpayers.
The IRS says you don't need to contact them to get the extension. If you believe you need a federal tax filing extension beyond June 17th, it's best to ask for that electronically by April 15th. If you live in San Diego County and received a late filing penalty from the IRS, you should call the agency to work that out. The IRS will also be open this Saturday at their Front Street location from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You
want face-to-face help, not tax preparation, just the assistance of sitting down with somebody and getting help for whatever it might be your situation is. You go to the office on 880 Front Street.
This week is also when the second installment of property taxes are due. The first installment was due this past November and was penalized if not paid by December. Now, San Diego County is warning property owners to pay the second installment before April 10th to avoid being penalized. It was due on February 1st. The county treasurer tax collector says you could owe a 10% penalty if your bill is late. Jasmine Ramirez, CBS 8.